So, beginning of this year, I made a resolution that I need to equip myself on financial literacy, and I decided that I'll be reading books, at least one book every month on finances, and that's what I've been doing. So far, so good. I've been able to read 3 books. This is my 4th book this year, and I'm enjoying the process. I'm getting to learn so many things. Yeah, so my first book was Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, a very, very nice book that I can advise anyone to read. You can choose to read soft copy or hard copy, either whatever works for you. For me, it's hard copy. My second book was Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. It's also a very, very nice book. It has lots of gems and so much to learn from. And my third book was Finding Me by Viola Davis. It was interesting getting to know about her life, what challenges she went through growing up until now she's been a superstar. And my 4th book was The Psychology of Money. This is what I've been reading last month. It's also a very nice book, getting to know how different people perceive money and how people react with money differently, you know. And whatever you perceive as riches, it's not what someone else perceives. Yeah, so it's also a very nice book. And my book for this month is by Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is also an author of Money Master the Game, which is one of the best books on finances. Well, I'm yet to read that book, but this is what I'm reading this month. Unshakable. I can't wait to see what this book has in store for me, and I can't wait to share the gems with you by the end of this month. This book has a total of 252 pages, and I'm on page 42. Yeah, I know it's quite a lot, but I hope I'll be able to manage. Yeah, so you can tell me below if you enjoy reading books and what books you've been reading so far. Yes, and if you don't enjoy reading books, what do you do during your free time? Yeah, thank you.